Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get voice chat on Roblox mobile. All right, let's begin. First, go to the Roblox homepage, then tap More at the bottom, or open the side menu. Open Settings, then select Account Info. Under Personal, tap Continue with Selfie. You may need to verify your account using an authenticator, email, or phone number. Allow Roblox to access your camera, center your face in the circle with good lighting, and follow the steps by moving your head as instructed. The photos may be taken automatically, or you may need to manually press Take Photo. Once completed, your age will be estimated. You need to be at least 13 to access voice chat. Next, return to Settings, open Privacy and Content Restrictions, then select Communication. Enable Experience Chat. Launch a game that supports voice chat. Tap the headset icon to connect or the microphone icon to unmute. Open the menu, go to Settings, and ensure the voice chat option is set to Connected. Choose your input and output devices, adjust volume, and close the settings. So that's basically how you can get voice chat on Roblox mobile. That's it for this video. Thanks.